Sending money for cash pickup has never been easier, so let's dive into how to use the Worldremit mobile app to do just that. First, download and open the Worldremit app on your smartphone. You'll need to create an account if you don't have one already. If you do, simply log in with your credentials. Once logged in, tap the Send Money button. This action should take you to a screen where you can choose your destination country. On the next screen, select the country where your recipient will be picking up the cash. Then, you will select the amount you want to send. Carefully review the exchange rate offered, and continue. Now choose Cash Pickup as your service type. This option will be highlighted among other choices. This confirms the money is sent for physical collection. At this stage, you'll be prompted to fill in the recipient's details, including their full name as it appears on their ID. Double-check all the information to avoid any errors. After entering the recipient's details, select your preferred payment method. Debit and credit cards are usually the quickest. Review all the details of your money transfer, including the amount, recipient's information, and fees before confirming. Next, finalize your transfer. You will then receive confirmation that your money transfer is complete. The recipient typically receives a notification message. Is provided a unique transaction ID. They'll need this ID, along with their valid photo ID, to collect the cash at the designated pickup location. That's it.